Hello and welcome to another unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Ultra HD Blu-ray player, the UBD M9000. I still do have the K8500. I had that since 2016, but this one was an incentive with Samsung TVs as of late, where you get one free. So I'm not going to turn it away, and also it has a nice few updates that the K8500 doesn't have. On the outside of the box, there's not much to see, so let's just get straight into it. It's a little bit beaten up. The store I got it from had to get it from somewhere else, so it's been through the times. Here we go. This is a nice little panel. Take that off, and we've got a nice 50% code. I don't need it, so hey, someone take it. 50% off your next 4K UHD. That's for any nice viewer. Feel free to have that. I just thought that would be a nice little touch. Here we go. The design is, oh, you're kidding me. Okay, so the blue, oh my goodness. That's a nice surprise. So not only took it Planet Earth 2 and Everest, but seems to be a random Last Jedi in it. I always freak out whenever I see something Star Wars, and even though I've got it, something Star Wars for free has just made me pretty happy. We'll put them over there. We'll take the paper off. The design is very similar to the K8500. Probably just use the same shell. You've got power. Apologies for the focus. There we go. Power, play, stop, eject. It's a really nice brushed look. And on the back, what's different from this and the M9500 is it only has one HDMI out, but I only need one because all my kit is functional with HDCP 2.2. One thing I have noticed is this one is region 2 and B only, whereas the K8500 could play all regions. So I bought a few American Blu-rays in the past. I won't be able to do that. They won't work on this machine. Never mind. So there we go. User manual, power cable, and the remote. I'll quickly show you the remote so you can see exactly what you're getting, just in case there's anyone out there thinking, oh, I fancy this one. That's a big update. That's a big improvement on the past Samsung remotes for the Blu-ray players. A lot more buttons there. So we'll pause this, I'll get it plugged in, and I'll quickly show you the menus so that you have an idea what to expect when you turn this bad boy on. Okay, so I've just gone through the initial setup, put in my passwords and whatnot. Instant reaction, the remote is pretty naff. Some of the buttons feel a little bit, lack of a better word, naff. Okay, nice. It's got the same sort of layout as the Samsung TVs, so I can get all the same apps, it appears, as I can on the TV, but I would usually just use the TV apps anyway. It's easier. I'll pop a disc in a moment. Let's quickly go through the settings. I mean, I've kind of got an idea of what to set it at from looking at reviews and things of the 9500. Basically, the tech has come a long way. So apparently the auto does everything it should do. So you haven't got to worry about making sure it's on or off. Apparently, keep it on auto, and the player does the rest. We are bitstream though, so I will. Yeah, because we are Dolby Atmos, so sound for bitstream unprocessed. Oh, that's for optical anyway. We're not using optical. I mean, it's auto, so we'll leave that on auto. And I'll see my receiver, whether that detects the Atmos soundtrack or not. Dynamic range control we want off because that will change the sound. Unfortunate not to have any neighbours, so I don't need that being compressed. Take that off, and audio sync 0. I'll check for an update after this video. I don't believe there's anything else. Is there anything else I need to do? I don't think so. I'll put a disc in just to show you the main feature of this and why this stands apart from the older one. And it's something that's sorely missing from the older one, is the info panel. So I'll let this load up and then, oh, okay, it's doing it pretty quickly. There you go. So at the top, I'm not sure if you can see, I'll try and zoom in for you, but this is a feature that I really have missed from my Samsung K8500 Blu-ray player, is it telling you what format it is outputting in the sound and the video. If I turn the lights off, let's see if that makes an impact. I'll keep the lamp on. Yeah, beautiful. So let's just hit play and we'll see what happens. Whoops. I shan't play too much of this or too loud because I don't want getting caught out for copyright reasons or whatever. But very, very quickly then, let's have a quick look. If I just press OK on it, does it do anything? No, 1, 2, 3 button. Let's see. That's not what I'm after. Disk menu, pop-up menu, tools, information. There we go. So this is what I'm after. Let me just pop it up. See if. So as you can see right there, we've got HDR. No, come back. So tools. I don't know if there's a quicker way of getting to the information screen. HDR BT 2020 2160p 24 Hz. It's outputting at DTS, obviously, because the Revenant its codec is DTS. It's not Dolby Atmos or DTS:X HDR. So it's telling me that the HDMI is also receiving the correct signal. So wicked. I know that seems like a silly little feature to want, but I'm someone that's always checking their keys wallet phone. I want to make sure my Blu-ray player and my TV are receiving the correct signals. So that's just me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate any comments, also any likes. I'd love to show off some more of the bits and bobs that I have here at home. I've got some wicked speakers, and I've made what I think is a good compromise for a home cinema in a modern living room. So if you'd like to see some more from me, please hit those thumbs up, and that'll give me some great motivation to make some more. Any feedback is greatly appreciated, but having a little 16-month-old, I don't have much time to put into editing and making snazzy videos, so I hope you do not mind how bare-boned these videos are. You know, there's the content, take it or leave it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a good evening, good day, good morning, or whatever you're doing wherever you are. Be safe. Thanks, bye.